Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change location of switch access shortcut button in Realme 14x phone. So right now we have the floating button. Here we can change its position. Where we need to go to settings first, then accessibility and convenience, then accessibility, and here we have tabs at the top. So we have General tab, Vision, Hearing, and Interaction. In the Interaction tab, we have switch access. Now, here we have our shortcut option. We can tap it, and then we need to tap More Options. Right now we have this floating button. Here we can change its position to navigation bar. Here is the location menu, and we have two locations. We have navigation bar, here it is, and now we have floating button, here it is again. And that's all.